Different colors, same country. Really? Skirt, skirt. Island paradise. Yeah, sure. Different, everybody proud when the tourists arrive. Posting blue lagoons on Facebook every night. But in some neighborhoods people still divide. Your name and your color still decide your side. We stand together, nice national phrase. Try to succeed without family connection these days. Everybody speaks love in front of the camera lights, then talks behind your back later that same night. Unity when the cameras roll. The division and the division when the doors are closed. Welcome to paradise, where smiles are detention inside. Everybody singing one love, but some still judge people by race. Welcome to paradise, we dance Seggae just to escape, while the youth are trying to speak, but nobody really wants to listen. Religion proudly displayed in bios online, but real respect is getting harder to find. Modern with the newest iPhone in hand, but sometimes the mindset is stuck in the past. Politicians come with speeches every election. The people united, same old direction. Then after the votes complete, radio silence while the people survive through pressure and violence.